Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to change your name in Google account on PC or laptop. If you're using any PC or any laptop and then you want to change name of your Google account, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open your browser and just select the Google account from here for which you want to change your name. So let's say I'm going to select this one here. Just click on the profile photo over here and then click on manage your Google account. Now after that you might see a this type interface. You just have to select personal info from here, then select name, and here just click on name. You can also add nickname if you want to add, but I'm gonna change my name here. Just click on name and you just have to change your name from here. So just select your first name, remove this, then select your second name, remove this, and now you have to add your new name here. And once I've entered your name, just click on save. So it will save your Google account name. So in this way, you can easily change the name of your Google account. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye.